everybody out there in YouTube land, Facebook land, Never Land in the land of the rubber band. Daddy's cheap. Yeah, I hit it to my man right now. Gotta go see my shrink. Yeah. I haven't gone from being crazy to being eccentric yet. I'm still poor. But yeah, today is one of those days. Take a drive to Waimea. I'll take care of that. You'll see my my shrink and my PO in one visit. But yeah, those of you that never seen the mountain road, this is what it looks like above my place. On this island you can see a lot of these, a lot of mountains. A lot of Hawaiians like me who are Hawaiian hillbillies who live in the hills. They have that kind of lifestyle. Kind of like Alaskan bush people. All in that kind of way. I still do a lot of bartering with my mechanic and the welding work. Sometimes bartering feels a better need. You know, not every time money's an answer. There's things I needed. You know, if all I had was the money, I probably would never get them. And somebody comes through and we do a pretty good trade. Yeah, this so mountain road, man. You think about driving semi on these every day, like 12 loads on this thing. Those of you guys that don't know this place, we're coming up to Pu'uhui. And one time was one of Parker Ranch's major cattle stations. Now it's been sold. All of this, all these prime cattle, all this prime cattle land sold off. The Parker Ranch don't own it. They might manage some of it, but they don't own it anymore. Somebody else owns it. You know, that's how it is with the trustees, so-called trustees, that took over Parker Ranch after Uncle Richard Smart died. Call him Uncle Richard because he was like an uncle to all of us. You know, in Ouija Radio, I bet I have, she knows. She grew up under Uncle Richard as well. It wasn't long after Uncle Richard's passing that her dad took his retirement and left the ranch. He had enough. He couldn't watch what was going on. So yeah, I have good memories of the ranch. The old ranch. The old Parker Ranch. The new Parker Ranch, oh well. It's not the same Parker Ranch I grew up with. It's not really my Parker Ranch. I hold my old Parker Ranch in my heart and soul. Down in here, so who it is. There are times I even tell my I tell Ouija that, and if I had the money, I would have bought all these out, all the way from down Phuket and Kapaa, all the way up to Waikama. Waikama is up in this area above Keena, way up there. That's that big pool and all that. Yeah.